Alright, so a little different than what I normally do, but I'm trying to get back into doing some of this. I had owned one of these before, so basically this Icom, it's a 2-meter mobile radio. It's the IC 2300, so we're just going to unbox it here quick. Alright, just kind of unfolds here and comes out. Just going to set that off to the side. There's a dividing piece of cardboard in the middle. Their stuff is packed really well. Here's the actual radio. Set that off to the side. And our mounting plate. So we're going to just set that over. Alright. So here's our mounting bracket. Here is the radio out of the package right here. Brand new. The only thing I can say compared to the other one that I had, which was a lot older, this was actually black right here. So it wasn't aluminum, which I'm sure isn't going to affect function. It just doesn't look as pretty. So set that off to the side. Hopefully you can see in here. They give you your microphone. Get that out of the bag. You can see what that is. That's the 133V. Alright. That's like a old telephone style plug. I'm not sure what you should call it nowadays. They give you a pack with mounting screws, an extra fuse, your power cord. Oh. It didn't come with one of these before. Alright, let's get that back out of the way. Now, I guess this is your instruction manual. They give you warranty registration card. Hologram label attaches to distinguish genuine Icom products. 4 corners are colored in orange. I guess they're talking about this right here. I don't really see orange. Icon logo turns when you change horizontal viewing. So anyway, kind of cool, I guess. All right. I guess they give you a small instruction booklet with it. I mean, you can actually go through this stuff and read it if you need to. Actually, it's a really instruction. Big fold out. You can hang that on your wall. So, kind of a quick reference. I'm going to know how to turn this thing on probably and change a couple things. So, I'll have to play with it and hopefully something comes back. I think I did read a bunch of stuff. I did have a lot of them programmed on on the original one. So, I mean, we can check this out too. Operating guide. 2011, 2012. So, I mean, it's been a while since I had one of these. I actually bought it. The first one I had was at a Hamfest. It was actually not a bad price then either. So, give you a really nice, thick, heavy cord to power this with. So, I have a solid state power supply right here. So, we're just going to, all right, now. Big, nice, heavy cord. Okay. So, plug this in. Alright. I'll plug our microphone in. Here. Okay, now this has a switch. So I'll turn this on. Alright. See if I remember what to do here. Okay. 14.1 volts. Alright, so there's that. I have a mobile antenna, my old mobile antenna that I actually ran with this. I have it hooked up, sitting over here inside the house across the room. So this will hopefully work just fine. Get this to attach. Okay. All right, now squelch turned down, volume turned up.
Alright, well that's good to hear. It might be because I just dropped them off at like the Nickel Mines post office or something, or wherever Matt took them that year. But anyway, that's good that you got yours. If anybody else wants a membership, you can check out the website, www.lrts.org, and you can get one there. It gives you access to use the radios and site, I guess, when you're wanting to go there. Anyway, just want to remind everybody about the Simplex Net on 8:30 Saturday. Coming up at 8:30 on Saturday. 146.400. That's the Lancaster County Simplex Net. Let's see, and he covered the cards getting sent out. I think that's all. I think that's all I have at the moment. If anybody else has anything, I can say so. Answer that. Thank you, Troy. Yeah, that was an adventure that year. But, yeah, always something. All right, thank you, Troy. Great to hear on the Simplex Net. That got me wondering last week. There used to be one on 146.55. I don't remember what night that was. Two different Simplex nets I used to check into. I don't remember when they were.
Sounds like a bunch of run-on. Let's see if I know there's a weather band on here too. I just don't remember what that is. All right. Well, the dog needs out, so I just it wants to, it's doing what it's supposed to when you key up. Hopefully that didn't bother nobody. I'm going to figure out what I got to do to make some adjustments on this thing and, you know, play with it. Oh, memory. I think what that was. All right. Before I push too many buttons, I'm just going to turn this thing off and figure it out. And I know you can change the color on the screens. I really did like the green. Everything seems to be really nice. So, you know, hopefully I can get this thing mounted up and then figure out some of the frequencies and try to make some local contacts on it. So, but hey, there you go. That's the unboxing of the IC2300H mobile 2-meter FM transceiver. All right, thanks.